Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. The questions come from Japan Math Test. We have two unknown values, a three-digit numbers TFG and a four-digit numbers MATH. Add up them equal to a new value of five-digit numbers GREAT. If the numbers E is 2, then find the number of T. In this video, we will use a simple method to find these two unknown numbers. Would you please to find it? Pause the video and submit while you are ready. Keep watching the video to know the result. The given information show these English letters. The basic rules. The first, each letter is a different numbers. For example, if M equal to 7, then there is no other letters that is 7. The second, this letter could be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, to 8 and 9. The third, we have one three-digit numbers TFG, one four-digit numbers MATH, and one five-digit numbers GREAT. It means the numbers of T, M, G not equal to 0. Okay, let's solve the questions. The given informations, we know E equal to 2, substitute E by 2 to the questions. Then look at G in the first digit of the five-digit numbers GREAT. While M at the value, it should be over 10 and less than 20. So add 1 to the next digits. It is that G equal to 1. Okay, next to see T, A, and 2. T plus A plus 2 could be equal to 10 plus 2, not equal to 2. So T plus A less than 20, we will plus 1 to M. Then M equal to 9 is the number. Easy to get R equal to 0. Okay, fill in the numbers we find to the given information as TF1 plus 9ATH equal to 102AT. We know the numbers 1, 0, 2, and 9. So the number for TFAH can be equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then 1 plus H less than 10. So we got 1 plus H equal to T. Next to review FTA numbers, we have the following conditions. F plus T equal to A, and T plus A equal to 10 plus 2, or F plus T equal to A plus 10, and T plus A plus 1 equal to 10 plus 2. While F plus T equal to A, T plus A equal to 10 plus 2, put the number list. If A equal to 8, while F equal to 5, from F plus T equal to A, get T equal to 3. It cannot fulfill T plus A equal to 10 plus 2. It is not the right value. While F equal to 3 from F plus T equal to A, get T equal to 5. It cannot fulfill T plus A equal to 10 plus 2. It is not the correct value. If A equal to 7, while F equal to 4, get T equal to 3, cannot fit in T plus A equal to 10 plus 2. While F equal to 3, get T equal to 3, it is also not the solutions. So there is no solution for f plus t equal to a and t plus a equal to 10 plus 2. Next, to check f plus t equal to a plus 10, t plus a plus 1 equal to 10 plus 2 conditions. If a equal to 5, while f equal to 8, got t equal to 7 from f plus t equal to a plus 10. It cannot fulfill t plus a plus 1 equal to 10 plus 2. Not the right numbers. While f equal to 7 got t equal to 8, it cannot fit in t plus a plus 1 equal to 10 plus 2. Not the solution. If a equal to 4, while f equal to 8, got t equal to 6, not the solutions. While f equal to 6, got t equal to 8, it's not the solution too. If a equal to 3, while f equal to 8, got t equal to 5, not the solutions. While f equal to 7, got t equal to 6, not the solution too. While f equal to 6 got t equal to 7, it is not the right numbers. While f equal to 5 got t equal to 8, it fit in t plus a plus 1 equal to 10 plus 2. So a equal to 3, f equal to 5, t equal to 8 is the correct numbers. Substitute all these three numbers to our given information as A51 plus 93AH equal to 10238. Got H equal to 7. Now we got all the numbers. The solution as A51 plus 93A7 equal to 10238. Do you get it? Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.